LinkedIn is a social network for the business community. Founded in 2002, the site is a place for professionals to connect with past and current colleagues, increase business connections, network within their industry, discuss business ideas, search for jobs and look for new hires. LinkedIn users create professional, resume-like profiles that allow other site members to learn more about their business background, areas of expertise and professional development. Organization memberships. Once users create a profile, they can add other users to their network. The profiles also include status updates that let people in a user's network know what they're working on and when they might be traveling for business. There is also a feature that allows people who are not signed into LinkedIn to view parts of a user's public profile. LinkedIn business profiles are for organizations seeking to hire, generate leads, grow and market their business, and more. LinkedIn also offers solutions and resources for businesses of all sizes. We'll explore LinkedIn's various tools and resources for both individual professionals and businesses. LinkedIn is a business and employment-focused social media platform that works through websites and mobile apps. It was launched on May 5, 2003 by Reid Hoffman and Eric Lee. Since December 2016, LinkedIn has been a wholly owned subsidiary of Microsoft. The platform is primarily used for professional networking and career development, and allows job seekers to post their CVs and employers to post jobs. From 2015, most of the company's revenue came from selling access to information about its members to recruiters and sales professionals. LinkedIn has more than 1 billion registered members from over 200 countries and territories. LinkedIn allows members, both workers and employers, to create profiles and connect with each other in an online social network which may represent real-world professional relationships. Members can invite anyone, whether an existing member or not, to become a connection. LinkedIn can also be used to organize offline events, join groups, write articles, publish job postings, post photos and videos, and more. Founded in Mountain View, California, LinkedIn is currently headquartered in Sunnyvale, California, with 36 global offices as of February 11, 2024. In February 2024, the company had around 18,500 employees. LinkedIn's current CEO is Ryan Roslansky. Jeff Weiner, previously CEO of LinkedIn, is now serving as the executive chairman. Reid Hoffman, founder of LinkedIn, is chairman of the board. It was funded by Sequoia Capital, Greylock, Bain Capital Ventures, Bessemer Venture Partners and the European Founders Fund. LinkedIn reached profitability in March 2006. Since January 2011, the company had received a total of $103 million, about $138 million in 2023, of investment. LinkedIn filed for an initial public offering in January 2011 and traded its first shares in May, under the NYSE symbol LNKD. The company was founded in December 2002 by Reid Hoffman and the founding team members from PayPal and SocialNet.com, Alan Blue, Eric Lee, Jean-Luc Valiant, Lee Hauer, Konstantin Guryuk, Stephen Beitzel, David Eves, Ian McNish, Jan Pugent, Chris Zachary. In late 2003, Sequoia Capital led the Series A investment in the company. In August 2004, LinkedIn reached 1 million users. In March 2006, LinkedIn achieved its first month of profitability. In April 2007, LinkedIn reached 10 million users. In February 2008, LinkedIn launched a mobile version of the site. In June 2008, Sequoia Capital, Greylock Partners, and other venture capital firms purchased a 5% stake in the company for $53 million, giving the company a post-money valuation of approximately $1 billion. In November 2009, LinkedIn opened its office in Mumbai and soon thereafter in Sydney, as it started its Asia-Pacific team expansion. In 2010, LinkedIn opened an international headquarters in Dublin, Ireland, received a $20 million investment from Tiger Global Management LLC at a valuation of approximately $2 billion, announced its first acquisition, misspoke, and improved its 1% premium subscription ratio. In October of that year, Silicon Valley Insider ranked the company number 10 on its top 100 list of most valuable startups. By December, the company was valued at $1.575 billion in private markets. LinkedIn started its India operations in 2009, and a major part of the first year was dedicated to understanding professionals in India and educating members to leverage LinkedIn for career development. As of 2015, LinkedIn had more than 400 million members in over 200 countries and territories. It is significantly ahead of Viadio, 50 million as of 2013. In 2011, its membership grew by approximately 2 new members every second. In 2020, LinkedIn's membership grew to over 690 million LinkedIn members. As of September 2021, LinkedIn has 774+ million registered members from over 200 countries and territories. The basic functionality of LinkedIn allows users to create profiles, which for employees typically consist of a curriculum vitae describing their work experience, education and training, skills, and a personal photo. Employers can list jobs and search for potential candidates. Users can find jobs, people, and business opportunities recommended by someone in one's contact network. Users can save jobs that they would like to apply for. Users also have the ability to follow different companies. The site also enables members to make connections to each other in an online social network which may represent real-world professional relationships. Members can invite anyone to become a connection. Users can obtain introductions to the connections of connections, termed second-degree connections, and connections of second-degree connections, termed third-degree connections. A member's list of connections can be used in a number of ways. For example, users can search for second-degree connections who work at a company they are interested in, and then ask a specific first-degree connection in common for an introduction. The gated access approach, where contact with any professional requires either an existing relationship or the intervention of a contact of theirs, is intended to build trust among the service's users. LinkedIn participated in the EU's International Safe Harbor Privacy Principles. Users can interact with each other in a variety of ways. Connections can interact by choosing to like posts and congratulate others on updates such as birthdays, anniversaries, and new positions, as well as by direct messaging. Users can share video with text and filters with the introduction of LinkedIn Video. Users can write posts and articles within the LinkedIn platform to share with their network. Since September 2012, LinkedIn has enabled users to endorse each other's skills. However, there is no way of flagging anything other than positive content. LinkedIn solicits endorsements using algorithms that generate skills members might have. Members cannot opt out of such solicitations, with the result that it sometimes appears that a member is soliciting an endorsement for a non-existent skill. When a user accepts an invitation from another user, they have a first-level connection. The user is indirectly connected to the other user's connections with what LinkedIn terms second-level and third-level connections. LinkedIn is particularly well suited for personal branding, which, according to Sandra Long, entails actively managing one's image and unique value to position oneself for career opportunities. LinkedIn has evolved from being a mere platform for job searchers into a social network which allows users a chance to create a personal brand. Career coach Pamela Green describes a personal brand as the emotional experience you want people to have as a result of interacting with you, and a LinkedIn profile is an aspect of that. A contrasting report suggests that a personal brand is a public-facing persona, exhibited on LinkedIn, Twitter and other networks, that showcases expertise and fosters new connections. LinkedIn allows professionals to build exposure for their brand within the site itself and on the World Wide Web as a whole. With a tool that LinkedIn dubs a profile strength meter, the site encourages users to offer enough information in their profile to optimize visibility by search engines. It can strengthen a user's LinkedIn presence if they belong to professional groups on the site. The site enables users to add a video to their profiles. Some users hire a professional photographer for their profile photo. Video presentations can be added to one's profile. LinkedIn's capabilities have been expanding so rapidly that a cottage industry of outside consultants has grown up to help users navigate the system. A particular emphasis is helping users with their LinkedIn profiles. There's no hiding in the long grass on LinkedIn. The number one mistake people make on the profile is to not have a photo. Sandra Long of Post Road Consulting, 2017. In October 2012, LinkedIn launched the LinkedIn Influencers Program, which features global thought leaders who share their professional insights with LinkedIn's members. As of May 2016, there are 750+ influencers. The program is invite-only and features leaders from a range of industries, including Richard Branson, Narendra Modi, Arianna Huffington, Greg McKeown, Rahm Emanuel, Jamie Dimon, Martha Stewart, Deepak Chopra, Jack Welch, and Bill Gates. Job seekers and employers widely use LinkedIn. According to Jack Meyer, the site has become the premier digital platform for professionals to network online. In Australia, which has approximately 12 million working professionals, 10 million of them are on LinkedIn, according to Anastasia Santorinios, suggesting that the probability was high that one's future employer is probably on the site. According to one estimate based on worldwide figures, 122 million users got job interviews via LinkedIn and 35 million were hired by a LinkedIn online connection. LinkedIn also allows users to research companies, nonprofit organizations, and governments they may be interested in working for. Typing the name of a company or organization in the search box causes pop-up data about the company or organization to appear. Such data may include the ratio of female to male employees, the percentage of the most common titles/positions held within the company, the location of the company's headquarters and offices, and a list of present and former employees. In July 2011, LinkedIn launched a new feature allowing companies to include an Apply with LinkedIn button on job listing pages. The new plugin allowed potential employees to apply for positions using their LinkedIn profiles as resumes. LinkedIn can help small businesses connect with customers. In the site's parlance, two users have a first-degree connection when one accepts an invitation from another. People connected to each of them are second-degree connections, and persons connected to the second-degree connections are third-degree connections. This forms a user's internal LinkedIn network, making the user's profile more likely to appear in searches. LinkedIn's Profinder is a marketplace where freelancers can, for a monthly subscription fee, bid for project proposals submitted by individuals and small businesses. In 2017, it had around 60,000 freelancers in more than 140 service areas, such as headshot photography, bookkeeping, or tax filing. The premise for connecting with someone has shifted significantly in recent years. Before the 2017 new interface was launched, LinkedIn encouraged connections between people who'd already worked, studied, done business, or the like. Since 2017, that step has been removed from the connection request process, and users are allowed to connect with up to 30,000 people. This change means LinkedIn is a more proactive networking site for job applicants trying to secure a career move or for salespeople wanting to generate new client leads. LinkedIn Top Companies is a series of lists published by LinkedIn, identifying companies in the United States, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, and the United Kingdom that are attracting the most intense interest from job candidates. The 2019 lists identified Google's parent company, Alphabet, as the most sought-after U.S. company, with Facebook ranked second and Amazon ranked third. The lists are based on more than 1 billion actions by LinkedIn members worldwide. The top companies lists were started in 2016 and are published annually. The 2021 top list identified Amazon as the top company, with Alphabet ranked second and JP Morgan and Chase co-ranked third. Since 2015, LinkedIn has published annual rankings of top voices on the platform, recognizing members that generated the most engagement and interaction with their posts. The 2020 lists included 14 industry categories, ranging from data science to sports, as well as 14 country lists, extending from Australia to Italy. LinkedIn also publishes data-driven annual rankings of the top startups in more than a dozen countries, based on employment growth, job interest from potential candidates, engagement, and attraction of top talent. In 2008, LinkedIn launched LinkedIn Direct Ads as a form of sponsored advertising. In October 2008, LinkedIn revealed plans to open its social network of 30 million professionals globally as a potential sample for business-to-business research. It is testing a potential social network revenue model, research that, to some, appears more promising than advertising. On July 23, 2013, LinkedIn announced its sponsored updates ad service. Individuals and companies can now pay a fee to have LinkedIn sponsor their content and spread it to their user base. This is a common way for social media sites such as LinkedIn to generate revenue. LinkedIn launched its carousel ads feature in 2018, making it the newest addition to the platform's advertising options. With carousel ads, businesses can showcase their products or services through a series of swipeable cards, each with its unique image, headline, and description. They can be used for various marketing objectives, such as promoting a new product launch, driving website traffic, generating leads, or building brand awareness. LinkedIn today announced the creation of Business Manager. The new Business Manager is a centralized platform designed to make it easier for large companies and agencies to manage people, ad accounts, and business pages. In 2015, LinkedIn added an analytics tool to its publishing platform. The tool allows authors to better track the traffic that their posts receive. In relation to this functionality, LinkedIn has gained more users over the years in the interest of clearly monitoring users' posts through post-performance analytics. Thank you for watching this video.